So you want to earn money with dropshipping in India, but you don't know the full process or how it works? Let me explain it to you in 1 minute. Let's go. Step 1 is to find a product to sell. You can do this multiple ways, but the most common ones are going to Facebook ads library to see what others are selling or using a spy tool like explodingtopics.com to see what's trending. Step 2, once you have a product, you need a website to sell it on. We do that by using a platform called Shopify, which helps you build an e-commerce website without any coding or design experience, and it's only 20 rupees a month. Step 3 is to find videos of your product, which you will show as ads to your audience. You can do that by finding the videos online, ordering the product and creating your own, or hiring an affordable editor on Fiverr to create them for you. Step 4 is the boss step, which is running ads for your product. You will do that mainly by Facebook and Instagram, where you can target specific group of people to buy your product. For example, if you're trying to sell a mug, you'll target coffee and tea drinkers. Step 5 is order processing, which you do once you already have orders for your product. You can do that by finding suppliers on IndiaMart, using third-party fulfillment services like Reposo or Glowroad, or tying up with local vendors. Now you know the basics to start a dropshipping business, and if you want to learn this in even more detail, I made a free guide for you that will teach you every step in a more visual and detailed manner. And if you want it, just